6,000 youths. Monthly cash transfer of rupees 830 through Arunodaya scheme for nutritional and health subsidy to almost 18 lakhs women-headed household and providing seed capital of rupees 50,000 each to 2 lakh youth entrepreneurs all during this financial year. Ma'am, it's my great privilege to welcome you today in our midst. I welcome the Union Finance Minister who has kindly taken time out of her busy schedule to chair this important event. I must mention that Honorable Union Finance Minister Ma'am has always prioritized welfare of tea garden workers. I would like to inform the gathering that her attention toward development of tea garden workers is reflected in an outlay of rupees 1,000 crore for the welfare of tea garden workers in the Union Budget 2021-22. I would like to share that one issue that was preventing us from going full throttle with this scheme, Cha Bagan Dhan Puraskar Mela, was due to the issues related to know your customer norms, KYC norms pertaining to some of these bank accounts. This was a big problem for us in the finance department, ma'am. Despite our full intent, we were not able to transfer this money to the beneficiaries' accounts. And the second issue that in fact was the absence of bank branches or ATMs, especially in the tea garden areas. This was a genuine issue since once credited, beneficiaries would like to access and withdraw their money. However, with the kind intervention of Honorable Union Finance Minister Ma'am, a quick resolution of these issues was done by the banks in a record time. Ma'am, the number of ATMs in the tea garden areas has increased threefold, which is phenomenal. The banks have also augmented their network of banking correspondents and micro ATMs to cater to the banking needs of the tea garden community. Banking penetration in the tea garden areas has taken a new leap forward. Ma'am, we are grateful for your kind interventions. Ma'am, your kind presence today in this function has enhanced the occasion. We feel privileged. We welcome you in our midst today. Our inspiration for the launch of these developmental schemes has been our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir, who has tirelessly ensured that all benefits reach our tea garden brothers and sisters. Sir, I warmly welcome you to this momentous occasion, sir. Our main motivational leader has been our Honorable Finance Minister, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, who has left no stone unturned in his efforts to bring financial access and banking services to the tea garden community. I warmly welcome Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Finance Minister Assam, as the Honorable Guest of Honor to this important event. I would also like to warmly welcome Sri Rameswar Teli, sir, Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Food Processing and Industries, Government of India, for welfare of tea tribes, who has been over the past couple of years come up with a number of schemes that are helping our tea garden youths, especially in gaining skilled employment, shine in sports and cultural arena. Sir, we welcome you in our midst today. I warmly welcome Sri Sanjay Kishan, Honorable Minister of State for Labour and Tea Tribes Welfare, Government of Assam, who has made committed endeavours to uplift the social and economic conditions of tea workers community. I warmly welcome Sri Kamakhya Prasad Tasa, Honorable MP, Sri Pallav Lochan Das, Honorable MP, and Honorable MLA Sarai Deo in our midst today. I welcome all the dignitaries present on the dais today. The banks and the banking fraternity, I would like to highlight their contribution, have been our true and dependable partner in these noble endeavors to ensure a better tomorrow for our fellow citizens. They have played a very, very proactive role in these financial inclusion initiatives, such as the Prime Minister's Jan Dhan Yojana and other schemes. I welcome the Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Northeast Circle, all the senior banking officials, also the members and officials of State Level Bankers Committee, and all representatives banks today. I warmly welcome our delegates from the tea industry. First of all the tea garden sardars. the tea garden workers who have come from far-off districts to attend this important event. I welcome the officers and official delegates from the districts who are participating in this important event. I also welcome the representatives of the press, both print media and electronic media. I welcome my colleagues in Finance Department for enabling the effective rollout of the implementation of this scheme. I once again thank one and all for being here and gracing this important occasion. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Pradhan Jose Mohodoyle, ami dhanyabad gyapon korilu. May I now humbly request the Honorable Union Minister of State for Food Processing Industries, Government of India, Shri Rameshwar Teli, to kindly address the gathering. Kindly, sir.
নমস্কার। আজি এই ধনমেলা পুরস্কার এই অনুষ্ঠানত উপস্থিত অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱাল ডাঙৰীয়া, আমাৰ ভাৰত চৰকাৰৰ বিত্তমন্ত্ৰী নিৰ্মলা সীতাৰামন ডাঙৰীনী, এই মঞ্চত উপস্থিত আমাৰ অসম চৰকাৰৰ বিত্তমন্ত্ৰী হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা ডাঙৰীয়া, চাহ জনজাতি কল্যাণ মন্ত্ৰী সঞ্জয় কিষাণ ডাঙৰীয়া, যোৰহাটৰ সাংসদ কামাখ্যা প্ৰসাদ তাছা ডাঙৰীয়া,